Hi, my name is Josh, the host of Josh56 YouTube channel. I'm an airsoft gun expert with a little of airsoft experience, and I'm gonna be shooting 5 German weapons from World War II. Now, I already took you guys for a little history. We have history here from World War II, from the Germans, from Nazi Germany, and I already show you guys some of the famous World War II gun from the German, and I'm gonna be shooting them in airsoft style. Now, what I have here in my hands is a Walther p38 from the German, from World War II. The German Wehrmacht and the German weapon SS, they use this kind of pistol when they're doing their guard duty or whatever their case is. And also we have an mg42. There's also an mg. I want to incorrect what I said in the earlier last video. I said about the mg42. There was an mg. I said an mg38. There weren't any mg38 in 1938. There was an mg34 in 1934. If I correct this time I am correct. There's the German created an mg34 in 1934. That was the first machine gun they created. There were no mg38 in 1938. That was an incorrect name that I invented. That mg38 never existed. There were two mg, the 34 and the 42. This is the mg42, guys. Also we have the famous. If you guys don't know what this is an stg44. Some people probably call it the stg45 or mp43, but the German created the first assault rifle, the stg44, the stg44. And we have here one of our famous German submachine gun. This is a mp40 machine gun. This one has a brown cover, like a brown matrix cover. I have this one in black, but I always change it in brown, so I'm gonna go like this. And over here we have the famous Mauser kar98k marksman rifle. This is the one that the German used in the First War and the Second War. And this one has a scope on, because some German use the scope so they can snipe their enemy. That's why we have a marksman rifle. Now, I got all my airsoft guns out here because we're gonna be shooting in airsoft style. We have all the weapons here from World War II. These are German World War II guns. I'm supposed to have a stand gun out here from the British Army, but since the video is gonna be about the Germans, so I'm gonna be using German World War II guns in airsoft. And I have right here the helmet I built for myself for the first time. This is a German helmet. It's light gray and it has two insignia, the SS insignia and the Wehrmacht insignia. You can totally see the weapon SS. They always have their insignia of the SS, and the Wehrmacht, they always have the insignia of the German Empire. And yeah, this is the helmet that is half SS and Wehrmacht. And over here, this is the second German helmet that I created. This is the German Wehrmacht from the 1940. They have both insignia right here. Remember that the German eliminated this insignia in 1942. Probably 1941 to 1942, they eliminated this insignia, and the only insignia they left here was the pelican with the Nazi symbol. But yeah, I also have 2 bottles of baby. I'm supposed to have 3, but I left one in the living room, and this one I'm gonna be using 2. The big bottle of baby is gonna be for the mg42, and this one's gonna be for the other guns that I have right in front of me. And I also have the green gas tank for the Walther, you guys know. And I have batteries right here. I already charged all my batteries in case they don't waste. And I have the MG battery right here. And I got the all the magazine. Right now they don't have babies, but I'm gonna put babies on, and we're gonna be shooting the first gun I'm gonna be shooting is the mg42, because obviously it's the big gun must be the bigger man, so big gun's gonna be the first one to shoot. And after I'm done shooting the mg42, the machine gun, then I'm gonna move to the submachine gun, the mp40, and then from the mp40 I'm gonna move to the assault rifle, stg44. And after I'm done shooting the stg44, then I'm gonna go to the marksman rifle, the Mauser kar98k, and the best for that is gonna be the Walther p38. And I also have battery for the MG, because the magazine always has a battery there. So anyway, we're gonna be shooting 5 German guns that I promised you guys, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, there's gonna be different angles for my shootings. The MG42, instead of me shooting it in the floor, I'm gonna be shooting it right here, and I'm gonna be like that, and then but the other angles are gonna be right over there, shooting the green leaf, some vegetable stuff I'm gonna be shooting. But anyway, that doesn't matter. But yeah, let's get started. And also, guys, before we start the shooting part, I just want to know. I just want to tell you guys. I want to tell you guys. How to say this? I want to tell you guys like, please subscribe to the channel, Josh556. We are in 110 subscribers. I need to reach 120. If some of you guys want to have a video of Carlito making hamburgers or hot dog, let me know in the comment section, and maybe I can talk to him so we can do another video and we can make more content. So anyway, guys, let me know if you guys want more content for airsoft, because I'm willing to continue making more videos like this. So anyway, let's cut the chat and let's move on to the shooting part, because I can't waste more. If I waste more energy talking, it's gonna rain soon, because it's a little cloudy. Right now it's sunny already, but it's a little cloudy and sunny at the same time, and I know it's gonna rain soon, and I don't want like doing like a sad video like, oh, it's raining, like, oh fuck, I can't like do nothing here. But anyway, let's move on to the shooting part and let's do it. Okay, we got the MG ready. We're gonna be shooting it. Going hot here. Alright, I shot the mg42. It's getting hot. Getting hot, this thing here. I don't want to burn it up. Let's make sure the BBs are gone. Remember we shot the mg42. Yeah, underneath the when you grab your gun, you got hot down there. I don't want to like burn too much because then the whole thing will probably explode. I don't want to blow up. So let's go to the submachine gun. Alright, we got our second weapon here. Submachine gun mp40. Here we go. Alright, let's go to the STG. Alright, we got the assault rifle, the stg44. Remember, you have to go way back to the first weapon, the feather off. So let's shoot the STG then. Or below and then shoot again. got empty. Go to the kar98k. Alright, we have the mouse kar98k. Remember, this is a spring rifle. This is not an electric gun. Only have 20 rounds. I'm gonna be shooting. Let's go. What the fuck? What just happened here? It's a spring. Here. Okay. What the hell? Alright, hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that. Weapon malfunction always happens. Where was I? Oh. I don't know how many. I still have more ammo. Just. We have 3 left. Alright, our ammo, let's go to the Walther p38. I saved the last for that. I saved the Walther for last. Alright, that's it. We're out ammo, the Walther p38. Let's go to the final round of the video. Alright, that's it. That's the final part of this video. I couldn't pause that one, so I might cut that part. But anyway, that's for this is the end of the video. I shot those 5 German World War II guns, airsoft style. Sorry guys, I feel a little dizzy right now. Since I've been outside, taking too much heat from the sun. My head hurts right now. I feel a little dizzy about it because I'm sweating. Because I'm being outside, I'm shooting. Even though I feel a little bit down, I don't feel like I'm losing like my grip right now. But anyway, you saw some some weird stuff right now. So the kar98k exploded. Some pieces fell off, so I had to pause and then continue. The Walther p38, I finally shot all the ammo, but once again, I couldn't pause that, so you guys were seeing a green area. Anyway, I don't know what to say. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn notification for more videos. Let me know in the comment section anything about me shooting those 5 weapons from the German World War II. I think it was great. It was awesome. But yeah, I feel a little dizzy. I'm feel a little weak right now, but it will pass once I upload the video on YouTube. I'm gonna like take a rest so I can feel better. I was like 2 or 3 hours with no light, but now that I got the electric back, so now I'm gonna make sure to post this video on YouTube. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll always see you guys in the next video. And let me know in the comment section anything about it, and yeah, let me know in the comment section. Comment in the comment below if you want another video. But yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Always see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, guys.